Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The Best Gymnastics Bars is probably one of the most exciting and beneficial investments you can make for your aspiring young gymnast, offering a fantastic way for kids aged 8 to 12 to practice their skills, build strength, improve coordination, and have endless fun right in the comfort and safety of their own home, transforming any space into a personal training zone where they can master new moves and stay active. Number 5. Safely Fun Foldable Gymnastics Bar for Kids. Experience superior protection and comfort during training. It features a cushioned pad on the horizontal bar, supporting the abdomen and legs to minimize discomfort. Built with reinforced, thickened steel pipes and a stable triangular structure, it supports up to 145 pounds. This ensures outstanding stability and durability for safe practice at home. Easily adjust its height from 35 to 51 inches, perfectly accommodating children aged 3 to 11. This versatile bar grows with your child, making it an ideal training tool for young beginners. It quickly folds from a full 57-inch training bar into a compact 17-inch size within seconds. This makes it perfect for easy transport and space-saving storage, ideal for both indoor and outdoor exercise. Setup is quick and simple with clear instructions. Kids can even help assemble it, turning installation into a fun and engaging parent-child activity. It's an excellent gift choice for any special occasion, encouraging fitness and skill development. Plus, it comes with a 1-year worry-free warranty and 24/7 customer support for complete peace of mind. What we like? This bar prioritizes comfort with its unique cushioned design. Its foldable nature makes it incredibly convenient for small spaces and transport. If you are looking for a comfortable, space-saving option for a beginner, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract helpful points as requested due to empty input. Number 4. RINREA Kids Adjustable Folding Gymnastic Bar. Constructed with a thick galvanized steel frame and a sturdy triangular structure, it ensures extreme security. Four rubber rings and rounded pedestals provide extra friction and balance, keeping your child safe during every practice. This training bar is incredibly easy to assemble and folds down quickly for convenient storage. Its portable design effectively saves space, making it perfect for home or outdoor use. Designed to grow with your little one, its height is easily adjustable from 35 to 51 inches. This versatility accommodates kids between 3 to 8 years old and supports up to 140 pounds. It provides a super fun training experience at home, ideal for practicing gymnastics and kip skills. This equipment is perfect for toddlers, preschoolers, and young children to develop their abilities. We've specially included a pair of gymnastics rings and a comfortable foam pad. The rings offer additional training options, while the pad ensures a cozy environment for practice. What we like? This option comes with bonus gymnastics rings and a protective pad, adding versatility to training. It boasts a very stable design with extra friction features for security. If you want a complete training package with added accessories and robust stability, consider this one. What people say. Number 3. Safely Fun Gymnastics Bar for Kids. This bar is crafted from high-quality materials, supporting up to 300 pounds for ultimate stability and durability. Its sturdy structure and non-slip base ensure your child's safety and enjoyment during every use. It offers 10 adjustable height levels, ranging from 3 to 5 feet. This allows it to perfectly accommodate children of various heights and ages as they grow. This equipment is excellent for promoting bone and muscle development, as well as coordination. Kids will love mastering new skills and having a blast with it. Setting it up is incredibly easy and hassle-free. It includes clear instructions and all necessary hardware, so you can start using it right away. It makes an excellent holiday or birthday gift for any child. Combining functionality, safety, and fun, it's a desirable present for active kids. What we like? This bar offers exceptional stability with a high 300 pounds weight capacity. Its anti-slip base ensures safety during vigorous practice sessions. If you need a very sturdy bar that can grow with your child for many years, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. No suitable reviews found in the provided empty source to extract points. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 2. Safely Fun Gymnastics Bar. Crafted from high-quality materials, it supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring both stability and durability. Its sturdy support structure and non-slip base guarantee your child's safety and endless fun during every use. This bar offers 10 levels of adjustable height, customizing from 3 to 5 feet. It perfectly accommodates children of various heights and ages, allowing them to train and play at their ideal level. It's excellent for promoting bone and muscle development, as well as improving coordination. Your kids will absolutely love learning new skills and having a blast with it. Designed for hassle-free installation, it comes with clear instructions and all necessary hardware. You'll have it set up and ready for use in no time, making playtime convenient. This makes an excellent holiday gift for any child. Its blend of functionality, safety, and pure fun makes it a truly desirable present for active kids. Designed for kids aged 3 to 15, this sturdy steel home gym is perfect for various skill levels. It provides a safe and engaging environment for children to practice gymnastics at home. What we like? Setting up this bar is incredibly straightforward, getting kids active quickly. It's designed for both fun and physical development, encouraging new skills. If you value quick setup and want a durable bar that encourages growth and activity, this is a great option. What people say. Number 1. Marfula Gymnastic Bar. This professional-grade kip bar is perfect for gymnasts aged 3 to 20, supporting up to 400 pounds. Its foldable design allows you to easily store it against a wall, saving valuable space. You can also effortlessly move it between rooms for flexible training. With a length of 5 feet and width of 4 feet, its height is adjustable from 36 to 60 inches, offering 13 levels. This ideal size is perfect for both home practice and professional gymnastic centers. Featuring 3 middle connections, it offers superior lateral stability. This design ensures the bar remains steady, preventing any left or right wobbling during use. 6 large triangles significantly enhance its overall stability. Unlike bars with smaller or no triangles, this design ensures it won't wobble, even during intense exercises. With 6 feet point supports, including 2 additional side supports, it offers enhanced stability. This design prevents left or right wobbling, providing double the safety for your child. Its folding parts are crafted from durable steel, not plastic. This robust construction ensures the mechanism won't break, providing long-lasting reliability. The crossbar is made of fiberglass with a wood cover, making it more durable and flexible than solid wood. This professional design gives users an authentic training experience. What we like? This is a professional-grade bar designed for serious gymnasts and teenagers. It offers an impressive 400 pounds weight capacity and superior multi-point stability features. If you are looking for a highly durable, professional training bar for advanced skills, this one stands out. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.